Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Come up with this thing called Namchi Poti. So what happens is basically for 20 rupees, anybody can rent one of our cloth bags. Now part of what we're trying to do is also we have set up these RRR centers we have our normal MRF side and we have one below the CCP, we're trying to expand it. So what we're doing is people who have all used clothes that are torn, that are not being we basically can hand it over to these RRR centers and from that we make bags out of it. Plastic bags are a huge problem now in the city and every other city in India that you go to. Now, in a lot of our drains, you find a lot of single-use plastic that always clogs our drain. That leads to a lot of flooding. So this is one of the initiatives that we are instituting. Swachh Sarvekshan also, last year we had won the fastest moving city in India under national awards. So this year we're trying to break into the top 50 in India. There's no reason Indo has to be number one. We're trying to catch up to all of those cities. So because of that, we're doing initiatives like this. And take one of the bags. It's basically a permanent trend. Okay, if the bag is ever torn or it's anything like that, you can come back, return the bag, and you will be handed over a brand new bag. Or if you don't want the bag anymore, you hand the bag and you take your 20 rupees bag. It's basically like a deposit. With Amchi Poti distribution in the market. Now we have the ferry that is going on also. Now we have 230 stalls or something that have set up so far. So we want to encourage them to basically give the cloth bags also instead of single-use plastic. So this is part of our campaign. So we have to make all the vendors and everything aware that there are bags that are available to be sold or rented out to the customers. So the same stalls, we will set up 3 of these stalls over here at the thing, and we'll encourage all of the vendors to and all of the people who come here to shop to also basically buy the bag. So it will help in overall traffic.
If they don't, you're going to be fined.
So there are big fines. So yeah, so our municipality people will be here and they will be fining everybody. Our fines are pretty heavy. It's 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees for this fine. That is the only way we will achieve this plastic free thing that we're trying to get.
Watch on Herald TV.